Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting right away. Make sure the locked phone is online and you know the Google account that was used on it. Once done, open a browser on another device and sign into accounts. Google. Com to verify access. This proves ownership and lets you change settings remotely. If you can't sign in, use the account recovery flow. Answer recent activity prompts, recovery email, or phone code. Make sure two-factor methods are available so you can receive verification. Now use Google's Find My Device. Sign in with the same account and select the phone. Once selected, you'll see location and options. Choose Secure Device to set a temporary lock message or Erase Device to factory reset if you can't unlock normally. Erasing deletes local data but removes the screen lock. After erase, sign back into the same Google account during setup. This verifies ownership and restores device access. Remember, erasing requires the device to be online for the command to execute. Finish by setting up the phone after an erase or using the temporary PIN from Secure Device. Sign into the same Google account used before to bypass activation lock. If factory reset protection prompts for previous credentials, use Google's account recovery steps to regain login. Patience matters as recovery may take time. If the device was offline when you sent the erase, try again once it reconnects. If problems persist, contact the device manufacturer or carrier with proof of purchase for further verified assistance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.